Mary. Welcome to 544.
Hi, I'm Nicole.
I'm Nadine.
Welcome to 544.
Welcome to 544. Trader Joe's Murray House.
Hi, I'm Kayla. Welcome to 544.
Hi, welcome to store number 544.
Hi, I'm Joyce. Welcome to store 544. Welcome.
Hi.
Try again.
Hi, welcome to Trader Joe, store 544.
And who are you? You didn't say who you were.
Hi there, I'm Fumi, and welcome to 544.
Yeah, that's very good.
Hi, I'm Luz. Welcome to store 544.
Hey, what's up? It's Alex. Welcome to 544.
Who we've been going?
Hi, my name is Deanna. Welcome to 544.
Yes!
Hi, my name is Kat. Welcome to 544. If you have any questions about DFN, come right to me.
Hi guys, I'm Miguel. Welcome to 544.
Hi, I'm Hannah. Welcome to store 544.
Hi, my name is Summer. Welcome to 544.
James.
Hi, I'm James. Welcome to 544.